Welcome. Finally, you're taking action on having this fierce conversation. This conversation that you've been avoiding. There's things that you want to say. Energy that needs to move. Now it's the time. Let's center ourselves before this conversation. Bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize the green torus field. Shooting in front, coming back all around. Entering the back of your heart, pulsating fractal of coherence. Moving in harmony. All the cells in your chest are boiling. The little happy faces connecting, creating a beautiful dance of color, of green ray energy, moving in sacred geometry. Just know, feel all that coherence, restructuring, opening your heart. Take some nice slow breath all the way in through your nose, all the way down through your nose. Breathing from the heart. Remember that you are guided by your spirit team, your higher self. Feel your higher self entering your crown. All this beautiful white light entering your physical body, moving down to the third eye, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral root. Your higher self is fully entering your vessel. Ask your higher self for guidance, for courage, bravery, understanding, compassion, to have this conversation. Visualize yourself sitting in front of the person with who you want to have this conversation with. Visualize yourself establishing the set and settings, expressing with clarity that you would like to have 5 minutes without interruption to express your feelings. Visualize that you are thanking them for this moment, that you are grateful for them. Take the time to hold space with calm, gentleness, and understanding. Visualize that you are expressing the feelings that you've been avoiding. You're expressing from your heart, slowly. Expressing true love, through confidence, through knowing that everything happened for a reason. Everything happened in divine timing and divine planning. Knowing that you are guided. Visualize that you are finishing to express your feeling and you are bowing in front of the person with gratitude and respect, thanking them for the moment, for the active listening. Visualize that you are allowing them to express. As they express, visualize yourself receiving through an open heart, actively listening the other party. Hold space with patience, understanding, love. Visualize that they finish expressing their point of view, their story, their feelings, their boundaries. And visualize that they feel lighter, more at peace, brighter, grateful for this moment, grateful for you to break the ice, to be the one stepping in to offer this opportunity. And now visualize that there's a mutual understanding, a mutual consensus. Visualize that you are both happy and grateful and hugging each other. Feel this moment like it's happening right now in your heart. Manifest this moment through receiving in your heart all those beautiful feelings of gratitude. Feel the peace of finally moving on, finally evolving. Feel how proud you are for these actions, for showing up as a conscious person, expressing from its heart. Thank you for this practice. Now it's time for this conversation to happen in the physical. I'm sending you strength, courage, bravery, love, guidance, support. I believe in you. I'm proud of you. You are an inspiration. You are hope. You are the new earth. Thank you.